I just might stop and check you out. Body beats, I stain my sheets, I don't even know why. My girlfriend, she's at the end, she is starting to cry. When I'm walking, I strut my stuff, and I'm so strung out. I'm high as a guy, I just might stop and check you out. Let me go!